Hey guys, this is a short one I'm doing. For the job I'm doing today. House fridge. There's a coil in the inside that gets rusted out. It's steel. It's causing the refrigerator to leak out at a high rate. I already put a service valve on it that I serviced it previously, and it still had the complaint that it was leaking. I leak checked the evaporator, it was good. So I'm gonna braze these in. I need both hands, and like always I say, and I'll show you the end result. Ah! I wasn't careful, so I actually made a hole in the copper, so I have to redo it. Now I got it. Fixed it. Got that braze, that braze. All I have to do is pull a vacuum and charge it up. Here we go, finished work. Up and running. Let's see how it does. Okay guys, that one was pretty, let's say, not challenging, but it was a good one. Uh, the first time I raised the bronze to the copper joint, I went a little overkill with the heat, made a hole, had to do it again, but got the second time around. The other one hard is the small one from the dryer side with the cap tube. Make sure the cap tube has the right opening, stuff like that. But I got it soldered, vacuumed. It was pretty good, so easy fix. I hope it doesn't bother again, but it's been that one's been a frequent, like I say, it behaves bad, so let's see what happens. Thanks a lot for watching.